Hello guys, we're live here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Arinola Cup Sunday quarterfinals match between Sir Art and Doc Mark versus Sir Tollitz and Sir Jordan CJ. Tap and share guys, tap and share. Quarterfinals Arinola Cup Sunday. Hello po sa ating mga joiners, tap and share. Hello Shara, hello Justine, hello at HTTPS, CatCat. Hi Arnold, hi Justine, tap and share. This is Arinola Cup Sunday quarterfinals match between Doc Mark and Sir Art versus Jordan and Sir Tollitz. Quarterfinals mid-level, mid-1. A combination of high 2 and mid-1 for Arinola Cup Sunday. Tap and share guys, share the live. Hello guys. Hi Felipe. Hello po. Thank you for joining sa live. Thank you so much. Hello Mark. Thank you for joining. Tap and share. This is Arinola Cup Sunday 3.0 quarterfinals level mid 1 match between Doc Mark and Sir Art versus Jordan CJ and Sir Talents. Tap and share. Hi kay Zinaida. Hi Nabs, thank you for joining. Hi Ambor. Question mark, ito po ay mini cup. Mini cup lang, mini tournament po natin dito sa Quick Play Badminton Center. We're doing this every Sunday from 4 p.m. From 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Arinola Cup Sunday 3.0. And yung hashtag po natin, puso, wag nguso, share, share, share. Yun po yung hashtag natin. Second set na po sila guys. Location po natin dito po tayo sa Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga.
JM and Ada versus Ward and George. George number 4. Quarterfinals, one.
Tap and share guys. Thank you so much for watching sa ating live here at Quick Play Badminton Center. Nagawa po namin to guys every Sunday. Kaya sa inyo dyan, yung mga taga Angeles City, Pampanga ng mga badminton players na gustong mag-participate sa ating Arinola Cup Sunday. Every Arinola Cup every Sunday where you're very much welcome po. We have leveling naman po dito. We have low level, mid level, and high level. Equivalent to beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Dito lang po yan sa Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga, Quick Play Badminton Center. Tap and share guys, share the live. Hello po, thank you for joining. Hi. Thank you po sa ating mga joiners dyan sa live.
Beijing Ward. Ward, Beijing.
Thank you so much for tap and share. Share the live, guys. Napaka-intense naman ang kanilang mga lovers. Ang pairings po natin dito, guys, ay random. Meaning to say, hindi tayo pwede mag-decide ng sino maging ka-partner natin. Kaya ang tendency talaga every Sunday nag-change yung partners natin. Meron din tayong tinatawag na mix and match. Sino panalo, Bert? Meron din po tayong tinatawag na mix and match. Ang mix and match po natin ay meron po tayong partners na high and low.